Hello everyone, today we are going to see Software Engineering Lab Session 2, and my name is Glimson Giddy and my register number is URK20CS2099. And for software requirement analysis, the topic for today is online payment management system. In online payment management system has a software requirement analysis. The requirement defines that the function of the system from the client viewpoint. Like Paytm is the colony of PayPal and is also user friendly and easy to use. Just buy and click, money can be transferred to another user. Constraint from the Paytm is it can only be used in the Indian server. It is restricted to Indian region, and after consulting with the customer, the payment Paytm should be user friendly, and most important, the information or the user data must be secure through an encryption. And interview From the interview viewpoint, according to the client, the application must be user-friendly because in India, the 70% of people live in rural area and they are new to technology. So the application must be as simple as Facebook. So the money is transferred to the correct person, and also record must be shown in the history, and the user data must be hidden from the other user and with the employee company. Number two, the brainstorming session. In a software company, the brainstorming session would be most effective and efficient session which allow to develop the application more user friendly. Brain, Number 3 point, facilitated application specification technique. In this technique, the customer and developer can work together and can find flaws in the application, and the customer can specify in the feedback. Like Paytm can a good example, like people from the rural area can, if they don't know how to create pin and all, so the step by step process can be given in the mobile phone instruction, so they can create a good a strong pin, so the so that the data breach can be stopped. And number 4, quality functional deployment. This is the most important service attribute or qualities in this method. The customer require into approach technique require like two-step money transfer as well as data safety with no data loss. And this is the diagram of quality functional deployment, which is used to study the requirements and the techniques to be used in the application, so to get better performance. And number 5, use case approach. In case approach, we have to sort out that the user verification must be Aadhaar card or driving license or any other government affiliated verification, or user can verify them uh, sleeves in nearby KYC center. In feasible study, the feasible report template shows that the executive summary provides an overview of content in the feasible study document. Many people write this section after the rest of the document is compiled. The section is important in in that it's provide higher level summary to the detailed and within the rest of the document. Remember to remove the green construction portion of the feasible study template before making your document. And in description of product and services. This session of a feasible study provides a high level of of product services. In this session of feasibility study provides that like an example, we can use the Paytm, which is a level of description of product product, not product, but services, which are going to considered as a part of a feasible study. The technology consideration, like this session feasible study should explain a conduction and organization must make with regarding to technology. Many new inactive rely on technology to manage and monitor various business functions. New technology may be developed to internally conduct through the service point, always result in the cost which must be weighted, determine the path forward. And product services marketplace would be mobile phone platform, android phone and iOS, and we can also use in laptops. Mac OS platform are the perfect place for the product services we provide in Paytm. And market strategy is that through our feasible study provides high level of description of organization will market its product or services. Like Paytm will be marketed as a good product. How, like, we can give a discount and we can book a flight ticket or bus ticket, or else we can order a food which will be given to users and organization satisfying. Within many of new product services there are many be needed to additional satisfying for the organization to recruitment in order to according to change, so that Paytm will be more user friendly, more easy to use, and high safety will be our main focus. Schedule this session of feasibility study is to intend to provide high level of framework for independence of a product of services being considered. This session is not intended to include a detailed schedule, as this would be developed during the project planning. This financial project and finding a recommendation. A functional requirement. What is functional requirement? For the functional requirement, the system required the data storage center with high level security, where all the data of user can be stored. For this purpose requires supercomputer and vast area to store it, and as well as the office for employee, for the customer support and engineer for the maintenance of the data. The main function of the software is to transfer money, which is linked with the bank, and there is and their security. Few function, the user can directly chat with the another user. Money transfer required a bank to another user. Verification of the user using the pins and the linked mobile number of the bank account. The data can be collected and encrypted and sent in the bank for the security and the safety. For the manipulation, using the security encryption, the application can charge some services charges from the user. If the user payment are more for the restaurant or shopping sites, company can offer discounts so far, so user can attribute more towards our, but mostly the application will be used for the money transfer. view for our first point, the services provided by the application, money transfer, chat with the customer, flight ticket, bus ticket booking, mobile and electronic recharge, online shopping, movie ticket booking, bike car insurance, health term, life insurance, online trading, pay loan, buy on EMI, so on. The situation handling, like if a money laundering occurs in a payment, user can directly block the account so the rest money can be saved, and a message alert to the company for laundry case, and the company can help the customer in the various kinds. The typical fundamental requirement is business rule. The most important is the security of the user information. Employee ID information must be verified. There should not be a translation correction, cancellation of payment. A must prior 3 second fundamental requirement describe the function that the system must perform. They are identified by analyzing the use made of the system and include topics such as functionality, data, user interface, and non-functional requirement that are not directly related to the function that the system must perform. The product requirement, performance, reliability, portable, etc. Organization requirement, coding skills, training standard, etc. External requirement, legal, interpo, interoperability, etc. Marketing and publisher console example. In the NSDL, the client, the National Science Foundation, wanted a live system that could be demonstrated to the sensor managers. 6 months after the grant was awarded, the example library of a Congress report used the technology that the client staff are familiar with hardware and so where system BMI IBM and Unix database system Oracle programming language C and C++ recognize that the client is federal library recognition covering government system accessibility. The people with any gender, caste, or religion can be allowed. Importance of developing a system that would be repeated by another major library. System requirement. The basics are the application can be used in any platform like mobile or laptop or tabs. It can run on Android or iOS. Logic information system require logic information like name, password, email, account detail, date of birth, so on. The so the software and technology used should be have following specification: ability to take credit, debit card number, ability to add a bank account, ability to confirm your email account, ability to show PayPal balance or Paytm balance, ability to send money, ability to request money, ability to connect to the bank network, ability to take input from user, ability to validate user sign up page, login page, and request money. Input enter your email ID, output enter the amount. Input choose the option of query and request amount. Output amount requested. Sorry. Activity input enter the start data and end data. Output show the transaction activity. Payment method, input, choose payment option, output PayPal balance, debit or credit card, input transfer funds, output enter email ID or name, input make payment, output money transfer successfully, bill payment, input choose option of credit or debit card bill payment, choose option output, choose option of water bill, apartment bill, electricity bill payment, input enter the amount, output make bill payment. This is for cashbook. That's all. Thanks for watching.